Ingomag.
I'm sick of what's happening in my society where I have to pretend to be happy. Make people appreciate me while inside I'm bleeding. I am sick of my society. I can't put on torn trousers because my dad despises it. I can't have an eye hairstyle because my mom will cry. I can't put piercing because my sound judge it and tell me who's this body belong to. I have no right over my body. It's as if each part of it belongs to different members of my family. I am sick of my society. In my high school studies, I was talented in languages. I had a bright future, dreaming one day to become a teacher. But my parents didn't see that way my vision. Medicine was their dream, so they influenced my decision. In the end, I got a bad education. I'm sick of my society. What happens in my neighborhood is chaos. A respectful boy can have tattoos. If I dare put one, people go say that boy smokes weed, cocaine, a gangster, a bad boy killer. Because of a small son on my shoulder. Imagine I could never get a job with drugs. That would be embarrassing for the boss to give me a work. Till when these two taps is Paul Abroen, I imagine a world where my qualities and abilities will count more than my physical appearance. A smart girl who looks gorgeous will always be just through her actions. I go to a swimming pool, but I don't have to pull off. If I put a bikini, people go say that's a sin. I'll be judged a bitch. I'm sick of my surroundings. Last time I got a job, I've worked hard for. My boss told I seduce me expecting more. If I don't give what he wants, I'm afraid I'll lose my job. If I speak out on my sexual abuse, we bribe and win the court, and now we die unemployed. I'm in a dilemma. Man, which is the worst thing ever. I had my perfect match. My parents got angry because he had no cash. They look for a rich guy with no heart that was forced to love to death, his eyes apart. Then, how much you to decide what's good or bad? But don't get me wrong, I need their suggestion, but never to bring the last decision. I'm sick of what's happening in my society, where I have to pretend to be happy. Make people appreciate me, while inside I'm bleeding. I am sick of my dang society.